Communication stands as the linchpin of any relationship, capable of averting heartache in unforeseen circumstances. Such was the case for Estella and Armando, an unconventional couple whose love transcended a significant age difference. Estella, an aspiring model, was 2 decades younger than Armando, a prosperous businessman. To them, age was inconsequential. Their love was a beacon they wished to share with the world. Armando proposed, Estella accepted, and plans for their wedding commenced. But challenges loomed. Before we let you know what is happening, help us out by clicking the like button. And also be sure to subscribe and click the notification button so you don't miss our future videos. Estella's father, wary of the age gap, expressed reservations, yet Armando's dedication and kindness eventually won over Estella's family. He not only supported Estella's modeling aspirations, but also facilitated her entry into the industry. Despite the family's acceptance, a fundamental disagreement emerged between Estella and Armando: the desire for children. Armando, having experienced the exuberance of youth, yearned for a family, while Estella, in the bloom of her youth, sought to focus on her career. As wedding plans unfolded, tensions intensified over this divergence. The couple nevertheless proceeded with the preparations. During a dress fitting, Armando's unusual attention toward Estella's cousin, Amber, became evident. His persistence in inviting Amber for family events raised Estella's suspicions. Confronted, Armando claimed it was for objective advice, but Estella remained uneasy. Her subsequent discovery of texts to a detective fueled her anxiety. Intrigued by Armando's secrecy, Estella decided to check his phone. Instead of messages with Amber, she found correspondence with the detective. Armando, sensing her unease, ceased his insistence on involving Amber in their plans. Despite her concerns, Estella reluctantly invited Amber to a final taste test. Alone, Amber disclosed Armando's promises of assistance and care, sparking Estella's fury. Confronting Armando, Estella learned a shocking truth. He believed Amber was his daughter from a previous marriage, given up for adoption. The revelation led Estella to call off the wedding, her emotions in turmoil. When the truth reached Amber, she struggled, but eventually embraced her newfound relationship with Armando. Estella, grappling with the complexity of Armando's past, opted to slow down their relationship, recognizing the need for understanding before proceeding. In the end, the tale serves as a poignant reminder that open communication and understanding can untangle the most intricate of relationships, dispelling misunderstandings that may arise along the way.